So the Middle Eastern crisis has brought back some old questions like, what is your outlook on market? Should I hold? Should I sell? Or should I add more? Now, to answer these questions, you have to first think about two important points. One is, are you a trader in the stock market or are you an investor? So if you're a trader, yes, there is a volatility, is good for you. You can take temporary positions and decide, which way you want to trade. But that's not our topic. We focus on investing, and if you're an investor, you naturally have a very long horizon when it comes to the equity markets. It has to be at least 3 to 5 years or even longer. Now, in a long-term horizon, you have to decide and think that how this near-term events impacting the intrinsic value of the companies that you are holding in your portfolio or you are planning to buy. So if you're in long-term investors, you have to remain focused on the long-term goals. The second question now comes is that, okay, should I add more, right? Or there's no question of selling, obviously. Now, when you have to add more, again, market will keep evolving every day. There will be fresh news flow. No one precisely knows how it is exactly going to play out, right? We have seen the Ukraine-Russia conflict, and it was expected to get over in few weeks. Now this is the 4th year running, right? So it's pointless to make kind of speculations about whether it will last for a week or a month or years. The fact remains that markets have fallen, and these are entry points. So you don't have to jump in with a lot of greed or trying to time the market. Depending on what kind of capital that is available for you to deploy, you should tranche it out in predefined tranches so that you don't have to come back and question every time. So if for example I have 100 rupees, I can decide that over the next 2 weeks to 3 months I'm going to do tranching and deploy, let's say, 10% in every tranche. And that will make it much simpler in terms of how things are evolving and how you are taking corrective actions as far as your asset allocation is. This depends.